Alright, so we're going to factor another quadratic. This one is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. And we're going to look at it and identify the parts, see if anything comes out. But 2 and 7 definitely don't have a common factor. So in this case, we'll look at A being 2, B being negative 7, and C being negative 15. We'll jump to step 2. So in step 2, we're looking for two numbers that multiply together to give us A times C, which would be 2 times negative 15 or negative 30. So two numbers that multiply together give us negative 30, but at the same time they have to add up to be the middle term B, which is negative 7. So different signs. It looks like this combination will be negative 10 and 3. Yes. So then we move to step 3, and be careful here because we're putting in AX, which will be 2x in both factors. So it'll be 2x minus 10 from our first number that we found, and 2x plus 3 from the second number that we found. Now we know that's a bit more than we need, so we said there is a self-correct with step 4. We put that 2 in both places. We can factor it out of the first one. So we'll pull a 2 out of the first one, which will leave me x minus 5. Remember, I throw that 2 away. And on the second one, 2x plus 3, nothing comes out. And there was nothing from a step 1 to put back with it, so it factors into x minus 5 times 2x plus 3. You could always full or distribute this back together to make sure you get the original if you question it or need to check it.